Hello guys, my name is Ravi Kumar. I'm your physics lecturer. So today we are discussing the closed pipe question, and in the previous lecture we have discussed that formation of stationary waves in stretched string, and in the very first class we have discussed that what are the chapters and segregation of chapters according to the weightage, and 8 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks questions also we have discussed on that. Okay, so coming to this closed pipe, the question will be, how are stationary waves formed in closed pipes? Okay, explain the formation of modes of vibrations and obtain the relation for their frequencies. So what are the closed pipe first of all, and if you are applying sounds in that, then what are the relations for their frequencies? So first of all, I'll take this is the pen. Okay, pens, that is tube. So here it is fixed and here it is open, just like this. So here it is closed. If you are that means producing here sound waves we are producing, then the sound waves, how they are moving inside and how they are coming back. So this is segregation. So first of all, this is a cylindrical tube which is closed at one end and open at other end is known as closed pipe. It is closed and it is open. Okay, where the particles of medium gives zero displacement. So if the particles are moving here they will give zero displacement. So that here that will form node. That is it, closed end. Closed end always node will form. Okay, so if you are taking that, the small frequency if you are applying. So if you are applying the small frequency, then it is colliding here, then it will come back with half loop. If you are taking that, this is the complete loop, no? So you are getting only half loop here. So these are entering and these are coming back. So this is half loop. And if you are giving the somewhat more frequency, then here you are getting here, and then we are getting back. So this is what the sound frequency that is moving inside. So I will discuss one by one. So this is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic activity. So the first harmonic is if the stationary waves vibrate with half loop. This half loop only, half loop. So this is known as the fundamental frequency or the first harmonic frequency. Okay, so that is F1 is equals to V by lambda 1. So V by lambda 1, that is V is equals to F lambda. From this one we can write that is F is equals to V by lambda. It is okay. Then what is this lambda? That you need to produce. Okay, so if you are applying the wave inside, then it is coming back now. So you can take that this is the complete wave. So here it is forming exactly lambda by 2. In the previous question also we have discussed the same. So if this is lambda by 2, then what would be here? This is lambda by 4. So that is what the lambda by 4 we are taking. Exactly half loop, no? Half loop this one. This is the complete loop, that is lambda by 2. So this is the complete loop, lambda by 2, just like so. Okay, so don't confuse. So here is the half loop, that is lambda by 4, that is equal to L. So this is what we are taking that from the fundamental frequency pipe. L is equals to lambda 1 by 4. So lambda 1 is equals to 4L. This I am substituting here. So that frequency is equals to, that is V by 4L we are getting. Okay, next, second harmonic or first overtone we are taking. Second harmonic or first overtone, if the stationary wave vibrates with 1.5 loop. So this is one loop and this is the half loop. 1.5 loop. Okay, 1.5 loop means that is complete loop is nothing but lambda by 2 and half loop is nothing but lambda by 4. Just like here. Okay, then we are adding these two, then 3 lambda by 4 we are getting. That 3 lambda by 4 I am taking from the second harmonic pipe. L is equals to 3 lambda by 4. So that lambda is equals to 4L by 3. 4 here dividing, if you take this side multiplying, and then 3 here multiplying, if you take this side division. So this I am substituting here, that is F2 is equals to V by 4L by 3. 4L by 3. So that is 3, if you are taking upwards, then 3V by L. So V by 4L is nothing but that is F1. F2 is equals to 3F1. And next, third harmonic or second overtone. Third harmonic or second overtone, if a stationary wave vibrates with 2 loop and half loop. 1 loop, second loop and half loop. 2.5 loops. So this totally lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 4. Lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda. So this is lambda by 4. So totally 5 lambda by 4. So if you are taking that, L is equals to 5 lambda 3 by 4, then 4L by 5. This is third one. 3 is nothing but third one. Just like this. Okay. So that is F3 is equals to V by 4L by 5. This I am substituting here. Then we are getting this one. Okay. So with these three, we are taking that. Okay. So that is V by 4L is nothing but F1. So F3 is equals to 5F1, F2 is equals to 3F1, F1 is equals to V by 4L. So the relation, closed pipe of all frequencies relation is F1 is to F2 is to F3 is equals to 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9 is to so on. Odd numbers will be getting. Okay. So this is the end of closed pipe. And next we are taking that closed organ pipe of 70 centimeters long is sounded. Okay. So this is the pipe 70 centimeters if you are taking. This is the closed pipe. And it is sounded. That means we are producing sound waves here. Then, if velocity of sound is 331 meter per second, here 70 centimeters is there, here meter per second is there. So you need to convert into meters here. Okay. So 70 centimeters you need to convert into meters. Then, what is the fundamental frequency of vibration of the air column? Okay. Length of the closed pipe L is equal to 70 centimeters. No, centimeters is given. Convert into meters. 70 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Then velocity of sound is V is equal to 331 meter per second. So these two values we are substituting in fundamental because he wants fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency. If he is asking second overtone, then you need to substitute in 3V by 4A. According to the problem, you need to submit. Okay. Then V is nothing but 331, 4 into 70 into 10 to the power of minus 2. If you are cancelling, then approximately 118.2 hertz will be the answer. Frequency units are hertz. Okay. So this is the end of our question, and in the next class we are discussing open pipe. Have a nice day. Bye then.